guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 48. So you can just pause the video right here and take a look at these questions. I think you guys have time to read the question, so I will explain to you how to do this. Okay. In this is the continuation of question set number 44. So we have first of all created database database CHDB, and in the first question, I think in the 44th question, I think we have created these tables, teacher, subject and student, with the help of DDL queries, and gradually we have inserted like set up primary keys, added some field names like student index number and teacher registration number into already existing tables, and then we have written like update queries and insert queries. Like now we have to write some update queries, I think, mainly, and some select queries. You mean like search queries, right? Yeah, okay, I meant like search queries. Okay, so change the first name of name of the fifth student of the student ID card to Amanda. Okay, so student ID is fifth. So I think okay, this is teacher. That's why I was okay. So the fifth student name is Almeida Moses. You need to change the I need to change the first name to Amanda. So I'll write an update query for that. So update student table set first name to Amanda, right? To Amanda, where this student ID. So yeah, student ID. Okay, did I select? Okay, no. So copy as field name and copy this here. Student ID equals to 5, I think. Yeah, the name of the fifth student, right? So the student ID should be equal to 5, and okay. Now you need to open the command line, because I think that this requires us to okay. I was checking that if there are any DDL queries that we need to be executing. So no need for command line, then you could just run this normally, I think. And if you just refresh here, you should see this name changed to Amanda. So first question is done successfully. I mean, in 47th video we have done like DDL queries. So we will just execute the second question in command line. That's much better. So first name should be changed to Kamal, last name should be Sandhir, gender should be changed to male. Okay, phone number to this, email address to this, in teacher table. So the teacher ID is 2, what they are trying to say is okay. So let me open up this and say update teacher set We'll just first name, last name, gender, contact number. You have to change the gender. No need to change the okay, gender should be okay. This, so they are talking about the ID too. Okay, so this should be changed to a male teacher, I think. Okay, so gender, contact number, email. Only that. Okay, let me copy this all as field names only to get the field names. Copy this. First name should be changed to Kamal. Last name should be changed to Senabira. I will just enter to make space. Gender should be changed to male. Contact number should be changed to this, and email should be changed to this. Kamal@gmail.com. Now we have to specify the condition where teacher ID should be equal to this, teacher ID equals to 2, right? Teacher ID should be 2. Okay, I'll put my semicolon here and open up my command line, because there is a possibility that the institute is asking like to do this in command line. I have not checked that, so I will just first select the database. So I have Beamer CHBB presenter, and this query should be executed successfully. Okay, nice. As you see, the existing record for the teacher ID 2 is for the second teacher ID is Piumi Boteju, female, this and this. So if you refresh this, as you can see, this has changed to Kamal Senadira, teacher. Okay, and I have successfully finished the second question. Now let me answer the third question. So search for Ruwan Rajapaksha teacher ID. Okay, so select all from teacher, right? So I'm writing a search query for this. So teacher table, yeah, first name should be equal to Ruwan, and at the same time the last name should be equal to, sorry, and at the same time and the last name should be equal to Rajapaksha. And if we run this command line, you get the following column. So you need only the teacher ID, right? So I can just specify teacher ID and you get only the teacher ID. So I have successfully answered the third question. Now let me answer the fourth question. So find the teacher ID of the teacher who teaches science. Okay, that is easy. So and the teachers find to do this search, teacher table and teacher has tables. Okay, now you need like join query for this. So select all from teacher. I mean, there are like two ways to do this. I'm going to use join query because it is much easier. Teacher has table So the same columns on teacher table and teachers table is, I think, teacher ID. Teacher has subject is teacher ID, yeah. And if you run this, you get all the relevant teachers and their subjects. Now you need to join this also, subject table. So subject on subject dot subject ID, teach has subject dot subject ID. Let me run this in the command line to be fancy. Okay, so this is all messed up. This, I like this view better, much better. And yeah, so now you need to set up a where condition. So where in subject table, subject, it's better to take the subject table. I mean, you could only take the subject table, right? So subject dot subject name should be equal to SAS. Yeah. So these are all the details of SAM teachers. So you need to only select teach ID, right? So teacher dot teach ID. Teacher means this is the table name and this is the column name. Okay, why? Select here. Copy this field name. It's ambiguous. Okay. So teacher. Okay. I mean, there are some bugs in Navigate, right? Yeah, some bug. Due to some bug, the that was the same thing, but this time it executed. So yeah. So the fourth question has been done successfully. Now you need to create a view to view all the subjects present within this database. So create view. The view name is subject, right? So let me copy this and paste it here as. So now you can write the query that this view is gonna be kept in. So now you need to write the query to be stored in this view. So select all from subject, right? To get all the subject. So let me be fancy and copy and paste it here. Okay, so as you can see, if you go to view, you get this view subject and you get all the subjects. And yeah, so I have answered the 48 questions successfully. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again next time. Peace.